Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make slime with only dish soap and baking soda. So let's get started. So all you need to do is put some dish soap in. There we go. And then put some baking soda in there. There we go. And then after that, mix until 5 minutes. So I have my timer, 5 minutes. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna come back when I've done mixing it. Okay, so I'm done mixing it. So we have to put it in the fridge for a few hours. So it passed 2 hours, and this is how the slime looked like. Ugh. So slimy, sticky. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe at the end. But if you follow these rules and it didn't work, please don't put bad comments about it. Please don't. And please subscribe at the end. Put a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.